I think this is a good fish. Oh my gosh. Stay on there, please. School of them. Oh. Coming straight up. Oh. Little guy. Little spot. Throw it up by that pine tree right there. There's one with them too. First one of the day, tiny micro. Oh, here, throw it up by this fish I got. Throw it up by the fish. Quick, quick, quick. Just don't look. Oh, there he is. There you go. There you go. Reel it. Nah, he's gone. He's going in that shade. Decent largemouth. Yeah, that probably will be, but that's about as much time as I was willing to put in to get a drink. Oh, that's a good fish. Yeah, that's a good fish. Oh, he's got me in the log jam. Stay on there, please. This thing's a dog. Oh, that's a tub. Oh my. That is a tub. That's a log jam Larry right there. That's gotta be 20, 21 inches all day. Small mouth actually though on him. For how big he is, that's, yeah. Oh, that's a stud. Super nice fish. Just let him do his thing. Let's go. I think this is a good fish. Yeah, it is. Oh my gosh. A spot? It's a largemouth, yeah. I don't know. Keep your tip down. Oh, it's a huge spot. Oh my gosh. There you go. Yeah, they don't give up, especially one this big. Oh my gosh, that's a tank. That is a tank. Oh, that was intense too. The net job was not there. You need pliers? There you go. There we go. Okay, beauty. Yes. That's like seriously a big old spot. Oh, feels good. Yeah, he's not as big as I thought. He's solid though. That's a big old spot. Oh. Oh, he's got one with him. It's money. Just let it fall. Oh my, this thing's a beast. That's a long old spot. Oh my, that's a tank. Oh, that's a giant spot. Oh. That's a big fish.
Oh, 19-inch spot.
19-inch spot. Better get that released. Oh, that is sweet. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's a ripper. It's not bad though. He's pretty solid. Super healthy. There you go. Yeah, that's a good looking fish. Stocky little square body. Sweet. Where is he? On the bush.
I lost one.
Senko. I'll get you one. It's a good fish. I got that on film. Yeah, it's super healthy guy there. All right, that's a good start. Oh, another solid one. Coming straight up. You see that? It's the second one that's done that today. Yeah. Don't rush anything, we're good, he's hooked good. Look at that, that's crazy. Just comes like straight up. Oh, that's another solid one. That is such a stout fish. This one's been eaten. He's got little shad in its throat, half digested, a little fat, so. Look at that. Oh, I thought he was gonna do another jump. I thought that was gonna be a monster.
This is the way it ripped.
Yeah, that first rip was harder than the spot. There you go. a good solid one. Honestly, I thought I was snagged there. Swing him back around to you in a sec. Yeah, that's a beautiful fish. There you go.
Oh yeah.
It's a lovely guy. Oh, he took my Senko too. Alright, 1 Senko, 3 lunker logs, and a beautiful river bass. You can mix it up too though. You can burn it in real fast and then kind of slow it down. Sometimes they like it when you reel it in really quick. Decent spot. Okay, maybe pick the Senko back up. I lied. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm filming this time. That's a pretty good one. Fatty, healthy. Spotted dog, spotted missile. All right, so that's the end of this one. Having my dad come down and visit was really cool, and having some time to go out and do some fishing was just awesome. Plus him catching his PB spot was just amazing. So if you guys enjoyed this content, please just give it a thumbs up, sub to the channel, because I got a lot of awesome videos coming out soon. So stay tuned and keep fishing.